Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send Cosmos Atom token to Keplr Wallet. And I will be using Binance. If you don't have an account on Binance yet, you can register from my link in the description and you will get 10% kickback on trading fees. I'm inside my wallet and fiat and spot, and I've hidden my balances, but you can see search coin, a little search box right here. So I will click there and I will type in Atom, ATOM. Then you will see crypto balance, Atom, Cosmos. So I have some Atom tokens available. If you don't have any Atom tokens, you can buy them probably with a credit card, debit card. You can also trade it with other cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. So anyways, I will click on withdraw right here. And now you can see select coin, and the coin is Atom Cosmos, so that is the correct one. Then I will go to my Keplr wallet. I'm logged in already, so make sure you're logged in. Make sure you're on the Cosmos hub. It's the default network and chain, so just keep it on Cosmos hub. Then you can see my account name, and then you can see my Cosmos address right here. So I'll just click on my address, then you can see address copied. You can also go to deposit and you will get the QR code if that helps. But I will go back to Binance, then you can see enter address here. So I will just paste in my Cosmos address right there. The network you show supports memo if the deposit platform requires you. In this case, it doesn't require me to enter my memo, but make sure that if you have a memo available, you should probably enter it. I'll just click on confirm. And then you will be able to see network Atom Cosmos. So wallet address automatically matched to corresponding network. If it doesn't match, you can just click on network. Make sure you select the Atom Cosmos network. But obviously you will have to make sure that you enter the correct Cosmos address right here. Because if you send it to the wrong address with the wrong network, your funds may get lost and gone forever. So obviously do your own research, and obviously this is not financial advice. There are no guarantees that the same thing will work for you. You might send from another exchange and stuff like that. I'm just showing you what is working for me right now. And then you can see withdraw amount. I will click on max and I have 0.5 Atom available. And I will keep it on spot wallet. You can see the amount of Atom tokens I will receive. I will click on withdraw. I will enter all my security details, and then I will confirm my withdrawal, and then I will show you what it looks like when my Atom tokens gets credited to my Keplr wallet. So now you can see my withdrawal is processing, and it will probably take about 10 minutes before my Atom tokens are received. So now my Cosmos Atom tokens has been received. I already had some Atom tokens in my Keplr wallet, but you can also see that my withdrawal has been completed on Binance. And it took about 5 minutes. This might vary depending on the network status and all that stuff. So anyways, that's how you send the Atom token from Binance to Keplr wallet. Hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.